Hey guys, uh, just so you know, I'm using a different camera today, so it doesn't record as well. It's a GoPro type camera, so the sound isn't quite there. Today we're talking about the Wen 6-inch cast iron benchtop jointer. Uh, this is just a overview of it, and I'm going to be joining a few boards to show it to you. There's not a lot of information out there on this, and I thought I would just do it one more time. Here I'm just applying wax to it. I try to do that a couple times a year. It protects the cast iron, and it makes the surface slippery, so it's easier to push boards through. Okay, so I just waxed up the bed of the jointer. Uh, let's just walk around this. Let me show you this. This is the Wen cast iron 6-inch jointer. It's a two-head model. There's the blades, the fence. I have 4-inch dust collection on it. This is the fence and the way that you adjust it. Once it's in pretty good. These are all adjustments, so you can make it exactly 90 degrees. I grew up on a cast iron jointer, and I'm used to this fence system. A lot of people complain that they can't get it, but it's a good fence system. So, this bed is still just flat as a pancake. So they milled it really well. And it's straight up true 90 right there. Just a quick side note, I use a Harbor Freight stand with this, with the Harbor Freight mobile base. So this is the way I use a joiner. That's not to say it's the way you should use a joiner. I've been doing this for 30 years and I'm comfortable around machinery. If you're not comfortable with this kind of equipment, don't use this. It's very dangerous. Just so you know, use your push sticks. Don't put your hands on the wood. It's just, you've got to be cautious with this equipment. So as you can see, this is a straightforward little joiner. It tries to emulate the big boys, but it's not. The short in-feed and out-feed table are a big detriment. However, if you have two people, you can join long boards. I've done it single, and it's tough. Keep that in mind. The intention of this joiner is for a small shop like mine. I've just converted a garage into a wood shop. So that's what it's built for. That's what it's designed for. And if you get it with those parameters in mind, it should be a very serviceable unit for you. I wished I had a big, long 10-inch joiner. I don't. And I don't have the room nor the money to have one. So this is what we have. Works for me. This is a pretty fine example of joining. There's, is it perfect? No, it's not. But once I plane this is going to be a good usable piece of wood. And in fact, the reason I got the joiner out is in the next, probably 10 days, I'm going to build a cart for my barbecue, grill cart out for my patio. So, anyway, that's about it. I'll see you further on down the trail.